Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to change alarm ringtone on lava mobile. Friends, we want to change alarm ringtone sound on your lava phone. So for how to change today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your lava phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on sound setting. After on sound setting friends, you can see phone ringtone. Friends, you want to set, and friends, you want to change your phone ringtone. So you can set, and friends, you can change your ringtone from here. Friends, you want to set a notification ringtone sound, so you can set from here and you can change from here. Guys, select any notification sound and OK option. Your notification ringtone will set. Friends, click on alarm ringtone. And when this ringtone means I have set, and friends I want to change ringtone, and friends you have download ringtone, so then you can select your download ringtone from your file, select ringtone and you can change it. So friends I will click guys system ringtone only. So guys I will select this ringtone and okay. Friends, you can see alarm ringtone sound will change on lava phone device. So like that friends, you can change guys your alarm ringtone sound on your lava phone device guys. And friends, you can change the shortcut setting also. Click on phone setting, search bar, and then search your alarm setting guys. Alarm sound friends, click here direct friends, you can change your alarm ringtone. So guys, we will select new ringtone again. Friends, you can see again alarm ringtone sound change. And friends, you don't want to use any ringtone, so you can off from here guys, OK option. And friends, you can see alarm ringtone will off on lava phone. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Like that friends, you can change and off your alarm ringtone. So friends, you want to use select ringtone, alarm ringtone will change. Bye guys.